Achre. Now, ye moving on now. Ushe squeeze so abe who Vincent Eko Asifua, the MP for Old Tafo, has filed a lawsuit at the Supreme Court to prevent President John Dramani Mahama from initiating the removal process of Chief Justice Tokonu. Abusianche ebi ayamamu update. Say John Dramani Mahama, the communications department at the presidency, Felix Kwachiofusu, what the ababetu just said. President John Dramani Mahama and Saka petitions Bemi and Sabia were more petitions say the Chief Justice Mami Gertrude Sokonu you know every ne debre a ukrano say the Chief Justice no esanse wo muchema 1 or 2 things be enko year also mean if you enti no President John Dramani Mahama the petition akwakoma Council of State esanse wo Ghana had the petition bi akodu president ho was set a Council of State honum na womunso ethics committee na committee investigation about the petitions, the allegations in the petitions are ekobani say no credit and the necessary steps needs to be taken, but ankobani sa dia na chese nipa no na wabede ne ho eno na yechemu say Vincent Ekwasifua sabre de wadwane akwakotoa Ghana yen court Supreme Court say what injunction and I said will prevent the President John Dramani Mahama from going ahead to take off Chief Justice Gertrude Tokonu from her position as the Chief Justice. And I'm out for him say, hey, there's a Vincent they were not say no baby will be drew honum. But at the end of the day, maybe it's for a good cause. Now this is what is currently happening. Your own petition, no, yatem wasem. Akwa could do a chief president, so I could do Council of State for a honum. But say no, Vincent Asifua or see there be one peneso emane emasa. This man too, we know him to be an NPP man. Is he doing this based on party line and I said for his own personal reasons?
Oh, wait, dear, Uncle topic we crank or say a can't answer. Uncle will say a can't answer because what the man is doing is just doing it based on party lines. I didn't tell make us let's come to this particular AE. AKuffo do ye president, so didn't he demote many chief justices? He did. Okay. Now, this particular time, no, Mahama Enkas will be demotio. Okay. What he did was he forwarded a petition into citizens be no match no me who say sa Chief Justice Tokoni kra no as a case bia de be court bia no ni ruling no as a favor NPP as a Chief Justice no ni bia align with the new patriotic party but you as a Chief Justice as even if NPP ni na appoint okra na impartiality level no say 45 55 the way there 2080 and amount for a day Niama are to write no petition president. A president, you woman if you near for new chief justice or no or yet a middle person or yet on your bias. President did not act on it too. Per the Constitution or Council of Elders. He could have acted on it. I must say Council of Elders A, B, C, D. These are Niama Abetudra. Yes, say. Amount will be a petition me for. Me da betu muni munsusu hunhwe. Susu keke no e na eye Vincent Asifua. Akọ Supreme Court. Akọ Supreme Court. But Supreme Court awakọ no. The big question also will be say when they say the motive anything. Now one of the things I want you to notice, this particular Vincent Asifua, he was the same person. John Dramani Mahama. Ebedi present or car say after January 7th, after December 7th, obi biara ya fan as a service personnel no. Sa nipa no. E was say ye sacking no, ye terminating the contract. Him and a papi a sorry call court. Or competition Supreme Court say one more ya terminate me nyina no. E unconstitutional to challenge. Now, it has been effective. Most of them have been sacked. But then a bro called UTV no during one show. I think with the UTV host or banner or hosty political show in the evening. And you be saying, say, now you are petitioning and talking against John Dramani Mahama's number one. Is it right? Say NPP for mobile appointee will be after December 7th, right after elections, and I'm in a manner a very dubious and I say very, it raises eyebrows. And the second thing is I didn't tell more beam one employees and funding only after December 7th. I wouldn't say Ghana near Manko ye sika seminko ye and I'm add over 100,000 people to services in Ghana, various and to various service sectors in Ghana. At the end of the day, a government ye sika and a bekum. Now, even if the people we need them, why didn't you do it within those 8 years? And I'm 3. Also, you see. He who goes into equity must come with clean hands. Into what wo ba say akwei ade na oye na nye no wo no unsem no, are you clean? And answer why you be there now. Now it goes back to the question say way back in 2017 when His Excellency then our former president AKuffo Obasono, he also in similar fashion terminated all the people the former government they kind of put them in various sectors after the December 7th elections 2016. So the and win a big deal. And
to do me, I do you.
And Vince as if was say yes. The first Akufo do and no interest say yeah. So where was he? Side time no your lawyer na. Side time no draw petition command Supreme Court year na. Side time when he sorry, Efren Krofo could protest na. You see, psychology, of course, we were psychology, one as this particular thing in psychology say, and you'll be there any issue. But you would dear now who nipa dear issue. That is where Vincent Asifua comes in. Now, what Vincent Asifua needs to do is he needs to know say his petition is bogus and it is stupid. What he needs to do as a member of parliament is to raise a motion in parliament say, see, NPP, NDC, this is something about affect here because let's raise a legislation say after December 7th elections, no one should do any appointment. It's no son obi ya. And yes, so your NPP and the NDC law no just say unconstitutional. Because you say, see, NDC na ba omunyoma ba yebo. And NPP best by power. I didn't they be rotate here. But you set by law. Whoever is empowering himself, it is unconstitutional for you to do your friend is saying do appointment after December 7th. Omonya cry said 4 months to elections, no appointments. It's no son will be bad. That person will not have to go through any has and tassel say okay maybe appointing Crawford because one more vote ma me no you see a party full soldiers no e sha ban mu say na be do what they will not complain so many. Do you get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So that is exactly what he has to do. Now the same person is complaining say I didn't know chief justice Ebra Akufo-Addo appointed demoted chief justice near the where was he? There was one chief justice cry and who ban say okay Emma leak a yibi ni din be pie mu ni ade mre finidi Bema no on you not as for no way. I didn't want petition. So you see, let's set a law. So of says when you're better, he should also raise a motion in parliament say president cannot demote chief justice unless there's a probable cause. There's no probable cause. Maybe I for because so chief justice atadia or shene nyame fainting demoting. That is not substantial. That is not a tangible cause. That is not a strong case. And then you can't. But out of the blue, Mahama train about hey, I didn't say Mahama train about me Janeko Supreme Court. Once again, Janeko Court, that doesn't mean say you've won the case. So that's exactly what is really happening now. You know, or your lawyer the same group of people came out and say, oh, I didn't tell them demoted and parry. It's here the law court. You can't demote the IGP. Unless afterwards, or not decided to retire retirement. Now it was in petition at the Supreme Court. Imani Ghana for no success akratanas and Chebia and what really happened. IGP no and Chebia na Supreme Court. It's true. Supreme Court did not even waste time because Obi appointing there. We need to have the same depending or appointing that same person or that same person in a similar position, a different person in a similar position has the sole authority and mandate to demote that person. And yes, that's simple. Why
Wow.
can't you hire and fire? Do you get what I'm saying? So, in Nyabema, he needs to come again. Unfortunately, his argument doesn't
There's
actually
no
make
valid
sense.
there.
Yeah.
Busiana just say Vincent as a foi chairman the argument ni de ensure that any valid sir. Yebeko so a edisa nsem way chi more updates to follow.